Today we are at Jarno's shed, and Jarno is going to unpackage some parts for his E30. So,
alright, so we got some new parts. I ordered a light and flywheel, so this one is
oh wow!
a lot lighter than.
How much does this one weigh?
3.7, I think I measured.
All right.
And we came from 9 kilos, so this is a lot lighter.
Oh yeah.
And then also a new clutch from Sachs. So this is all new. This is actually heavier, this whole combination, than the flywheel.
All right.
So
nice.
Very happy. It looks very, very cool. And I got a new dashboard that we're going to unpack inside.
All right.
So looking forward to that.
Okay.
All right. So it's next day. Last shot you have seen from me was me unpacking the flywheel. Right now we are going to show you guys some new things. Some things arrived. Here's the package. You might see what it is already. Open it. Sticker. This is some other technical information. It's a digital dash. So this dash will go in here. I already cut the plate for it. It's this one. So this plate, in this plate we're going to mount the dash in. So what I'm going to do right now is, I don't need this right now. I think I'm going to cut out this sheet, this picture, and I'm going to perfectly align it on here. So yeah, then we know what is the middle and stuff. So I make sure that I drill my holes in the right place, that I saw the right place out, and that I can mount my dash in there. So that's what we're going to do right now. So right now I've got a little problem. Yeah, well, not a problem at all. This plate over here, it fits in my dash, but it's a bit longer. So when I'm going to mount this on here, I can't take the middle of this I can't take it from here to here, because then the screen would become too low. Because let's say, for example, only above this portion will be seen in the car. So I'm going to mount this in the car right now. I'm going to measure how long this is, and then I can again measure the middle, or I can see where I want the screen to be. So be right back. So as you can see right now, the dash, well, at least the plate is in. So my camera stopped working, so I don't have all the footage. I will try to recover some footage, but we did some work and the screen is in right now. I'm going to show you. So it's in there. Yeah, you see a lot of cable mess. I'm getting in as well. It boots up already, as you see, but like, there's nothing connected. I can go to through my views. Yeah, this isn't right, but yeah, I will need to do some work still. But yeah, I'm happy. So I think the last clip you guys saw was me turning on the dash. Right now I have everything back in the box. Here's the plate that I need to clean. But first, what I want to do is hook up, not these, but these cables, these, to the corresponding ones from my wiring loom for my standard E30, to make sure that when I have everything ready that I put in, that I have turn signal, high beam, normal lights, fork lights, like all the boring stuff. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I think all the cables are in right now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Over here you have some, yeah, I used smaller ones. I don't know what these called, but you put both the ends in here. Then you get a heat gun. Like, yeah, paint stripper or something, quite hot. And then you shrink them together like this. So these are all shrunken together. So now this can go back in my display, and this as well. I still have some loose ends here. These ones are for, I think, fuel. These ones for speedometer. I'm gonna try to hook these ones up as well. Yeah, so let's go. Before I can hook those up, I need to, what's it called, measure which cables are ground, because I need to make sure the ground is connected to the dash as well, from the fuel level sensor. So I'm going to try to figure that out right now. So yeah. So I think I figured it out. I soldered them, and right now I'm going to hook up the display again and check if everything works. So let's do that. So I got everything set up right now. This is just a standard display. Low beams, high beams, fork light, my fuel meter has something right now. Battery, it needs to be charged. Right now I'm going to hook it up to the PC, and let's see what we can do there. So it's next day. I haven't really hooked it up to the PC yet. Well, little things to it, but not much. Right now I did a lot with cables and stuff. Like here are the analog cables. They're all soldered. I think I already showed you guys that. They're all made together. I only need to do these two for speed. This one is for power and for the CAN bus, so for my ACU. And I made the cable to hook the PC up in the car. That's right over here. So when I need to do something with the PC, I can just set my PC on the chair over here. That will come over here. And then I can drive and change some things on the go. And right now, this is going to be closed off. So yeah, that's what I did. I think now I'm going to make the display screen black, or I'm gonna sand it down so I can paint it in a black color, so it looks nice and neat. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I wanted to make the dashboard like all black and stuff and sand it down. Now it's still yeah, how do I say, not sanded down and not black. In the meanwhile, we did something else. We hooked up the whole fuel system right now. So this is fuel going to the engine. This is the overflow on the catch tank. And this is to fill the catch tank. So that's all hooked up to the car. That's all running to the front. To there, over there. So I think right now I want to go sand this one down a bit. You see here these dents, these. I want to just sand it down a bit. Then we're going to wet sandpaper to make it all like, yeah, how do I say, flush. And then we're going to spray paint it. So let's go. So I'm done sanding, I think. This is how it looked like before. Wait, I'm going to lay it down. This is the before, like this is the back side. I didn't do anything to it. This is the front side. So the dash is all sanded down, as you can see. I mounted it to a plate so I can spray paint it, and it won't get stuck to the surface underneath. So right now I'm going to do a layer of primer, then I'm going to do a layer of high gloss black, and then I'm going to do a layer of clear coat. And I hope it's going to be a gloss black finish. So I'm going to set the primer off, and then we need to wait a day, sand it down a bit, maybe a second layer of primer, and then we can put the color on. So let's go. So we're a few days later. Lots have happened. I needed to repaint it like 2 to 3 times. I think last time you saw was me putting on the base coat, but then I messed up 2 to 3 times. So I didn't film everything because I was a bit, how do I say, I want to have it done. And now, right now, it's done. I need to peel off the protective film. I didn't peel it off yet because how do I say, I'm not sure if it needs to go out again, so I'm not going to peel it off right now. It's in. Where's the key of the car? Here it is. So I think that is it for this video. If you have any questions or you want to see anything particular about the car or with Michiel, let us know and we'll try to cover it in the next video. So this is it. See you next time.